So your question about the review number 2, problem 17, isn't a really easily emailed back response. So here's a quick video to help you out. So what we're told is that we are told that we have a polynomial function that is 4th degree with zeros at x equals -2, 1, and 3. And we're told that f of x is greater than 0 only on the interval from 1 to 3. So what we know is we have zeros at -2, 1, and 3. And I know that f of x is greater than 0 only from here to here. So it's only above the x-axis there. So this is what I know. Now I can fill in the rest of this polynomial just based off of the fact that it's a 4th degree polynomial and that it can only be above the x-axis right here. So going out to the positive side, there's no more zeros or anything like that. This can't bounce and turn away, otherwise it would be greater than 0 out here, so it must go down. If any of these were to be like 3rd degree or anything like that, there's 3 zeros already, so at minimum this is a 3rd degree, or a 3rd degree polynomial. If any of these have a multiplicity 3, then that would make it automatically at least 5th degree. So we know that the multiplicities here are 1, 1, 2. We need to figure out which one has that multiplicity 2, and this is kind of the way to do it, is kind of sketching that graph. So here, at 1, this either is going to go straight through or it's going to bounce off. If it bounced off, it would be above 0, in which case this condition would be broken. So this has to go down. So now we come back, and the only other thing we have is we have this 0 over here. So at the 0, I can either bounce or go straight through. If I go straight through, I'm above the x-axis, and now this condition is broken again. So I have to bounce off. And so that leaves me with this 4th degree polynomial. And so then from here, we don't have enough information to figure out our leading coefficient. But what I do know is that my factors, since I have zeros at -2, we're going to have x plus 2. Then at 1 and 3, we're going to get x minus 1 and x minus 3. And since we had to bounce at this root at -2, this is the piece that has to be squared. Now the next problem in this says to now take this, and it gives us another point on this graph and says to solve for that a value. So I hope that helps. See you around.